Hi, I welcome you all in this new video, and in this new video you will learn how to calculate moving average. For this I have a raw data. You can see here I have a period that is ranging from 0 to 15 periods, and so this is actual data which is given to us, and we will calculate with the help of this data 2-day moving average, 4-day moving average and 6-day moving average. So not taking much of time, let's move forward. How to do it? First of all, you should ensure that data analysis tab is activated into your Excel, and for that there is a video and there is an I button that you can see at the top. Just click the I button and it will take you to the desired video so that you will understand how to activate if it is not activated in your Excel. So just going to data analysis tab here, by clicking here you will see here so many options which are coming. Just go to here moving average and select it, and then select the input range. Input range in this case is this much. Let's select the data, and then as we have not taken the labels, so there is no need to click it, and then where we want to take, and it says what interval. For example, initially we will calculate for 2 days moving average, so I have to write here 2 in interval and then output range. For this, go to the place where you want to show your results and then click OK. So here you can see now the 2 days moving average is calculated. How this value is calculated? This value is equal to this one and this one divided by 2. So in the similar manner we can calculate 4 days and 6 day moving average. That's true. You have to repeat the same process time and again, because we have already selected the data, and here just we need to do small changes. And what are those changes that we need to do? Now I want to calculate for 4 days, so take here 4, and what is the next cell here? You can do it manually, and it is now the D column where I want to take it. So just click OK, and here it has given me the 4 days moving average. And now we want to calculate 6 days. So in the similar manner, go to data analysis tab, and then moving average. Okay. And here now, as the data has already been selected, so we will take here this time 6 days. So let's take 6, and where is the output range? Take this, and then this way click OK, and here we have 6 days moving average. So now let's see how it will look like. First, select the entire data and go to insert, and by going to insert, click here in your charts and select this one. It is showing here the time period which is shown here, then the actual data is plotted, then 2 days moving average is shown, 4 days moving average is shown, and 6 days moving average shown. Then how to interpret these results, that I will discuss in next video. And I thank you for watching this video.
फिर हाजिर होंगे नए विषयों के साथ। तब तक देखते रहें, लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, सब्सक्राइब करें। नए वीडियो की जानकारी की नोटिफिकेशन के लिए बेल आइकन को दबाइए।